Okay, doing the last piece, putting that elbow on the vent. I've got the pipe in place. I got some nice pitch to it so that we don't have any issues. Sometimes you've got to push those fittings together really good to get them all the way down in and seated. Level. I always want to try to clean it. We've cleaned it, just get any burrs of the cutting that are on there or any dirt. I'm using single application glue and primer all in one. Makes the job really nice. Plumb it. And there's that. There, we got our plumbing done, so we are ready for concrete. We got some stone work to do and some poly to lay down. That's next.